Welcome back to School's Challenge Quiz. You are watching the 9th match here in round 2. Scores are Titchfield High ahead on 27 points, Montego Bay High on 18 points. You'll notice a change to the scores. Montego Bay picked up 2 points during the break. The answer to the question, what is the approximate pH of saliva? 7 was given and is indeed approximate, so has been accepted. Montego Bay were also asked another maths question to replace the one that we had asked before, and they got it correct. So, 27 to 18 as we head into the buzzer challenge. Teams must press the buzzer and wait to be identified, please, before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, but teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. So teams, time to gear up with your quick fingers, quick thinking, and fast answers, which could put you one step closer to winning the championship. Let's see 4 minutes on the clock, please. And with that, we begin with Bible knowledge. After Jacob's struggle with the angel, what new name? Montego Bay?
Peniel.
Israel was the new name given. Biology. The endangered tree with the scientific name Guiacum officinale is commonly Titchfield High.
Lignum vitae. Lignum vitae.
Okay, we also wanted the meaning of the tree of life. Half correct, incorrect. English language, spell the word ricochet. Montego Bay.
Ricochet. R-I-C-O-C-H-E-T.
That's right. International Affairs of Visual 1 teams. Look on the screen. Identify this person, please. Titchfield. Easy with the buzzers, please.
Edgar Lungu.
Edgar Lungu.
I have Paul Kagame, president of Rwanda. Chemistry, what is the name for a type of base that dissolves in water, forming Titchfield?
Alkali. Alkaline.
Alkali. Judges, music and audio 1 teams. Listen to the clip. Identify this artist. Montego Bay.
Sinach.
That looks correct. General knowledge, what is the current name of the country formerly called the Republic of Titchfield?
Sweden.
Incorrect. The Republic of Upper Volta is now Burkina Faso. Spanish. What is the year in English? 1989. Titchfield.
1989.
1989.
Correct. Geography. The largest river delta in the world occurs Montego Bay.
River Ganges.
Incorrect. The Bay of Bengal. It's the Ganges. Yes. Theater and cinema. Visual 1. Look at the screen. Identify this person, please. Titchfield.
Common.
Correct. Information technology. Which common network topology is most resistant to hardware faults? Mesh. History. Who was Prime Minister of Britain in 1952? Montego Bay.
Winston Churchill.
Montego Bay.
Winston Churchill.
That's right. Mathematics. What is 56 over 13 as a decimal to the nearest Montego Bay?
4 point. That is
4.5.
4.31. Physics. What are sounds too low for the human ear? Montego Bay.
Infrasonic.
That's correct. Sport or Visual 1 teams. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please. Jamaican athlete Nikisha Wilson, Jamaican heritage. Which former Jamaican Prime Minister had the middle names Philip Titchfield?
Edward Tiago.
Correct. French. Which animal is le cochon? Titchfield.
Pig.
That's right. Literature. What is the name for a symbolic narrative in which the surface details imply a secondary meaning, often taking Titchfield?
Allegory.
Allegory.
Correct. Art. Which Dutch artist painted the sacrifice of Isaac? Titchfield.
Rembrandt van Rijn.
Is right. Bible knowledge. The daughters of which man protested the fact that they could not inherit from their father, although he had no sons? Zelophehad. Biology. Which peptide hormone is released from the pancreas if the blood sugar levels are too Titchfield?
Glucagon.
Correct. English language. Give an 8-letter noun starting with U, which means an emerald green variety of garnet containing chromium. Uvaravite. Local affairs. What specific name is given to the lower house of Jamaica's parliament? Titchfield.
House of Representatives. House of Representatives.
That's right. What is the name for the polysaccharides formed by heating dry or acid-modified starches during pyrolysis? Montego Bay.
Dextrin. Dextrin.
That's correct music. And we'll have to leave it there. That's the end of the final challenge and the end of the match. Scores look to be Titchfield High on 35 points, Montego Bay High on 22. We will double-check those scores and return with the final results right after these messages.